How to fix Safari could not install a profile due to an unknown error in iPhone. So if you want to fix Safari could not install a profile due to an unknown error in your iPhone, then what you need to do is first you need to open up your settings. After opening your settings, you need to scroll down, go with apps. From apps, you need to scroll down again and find Safari. Once you find, tap on Safari and then scroll all the way down and you will have advanced option. Tap on advanced. Once you're on your advanced section, you will have website data at the top. You need to tap on the website data, then click on remove all website data, which will be on the bottom. Tap on remove now and it will remove all of your website data. Now go back to the Safari page and here you will have clear history option. You just need to simply find the clear history, which is right here. Tap on clear history and website data and then select all history, or for example I'll go with today and yesterday and tap on clear history and your history will be deleted and now your problem will be fixed. That's it, and if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.